The world doesn't change overnight, but every step forward changes your world. You are one idea away from transforming your life. Never stop searching within. Greatness isn't found on the mountaintop. It's built one stone at a time in the valleys. Turn your challenges into a canvas for growth. Paint it with resilience and watch it become a masterpiece. Your dreams are waiting for you to believe in them as much as you believe in others. Some doors close to protect you from rooms you don't belong in. Trust that something better is opening up. Progress doesn't always look like success. Sometimes it's just the courage to try again. Success is the echo of every small effort, combined and resonated back to you. Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid of staying the same after failure. Each setback is a hidden chapter of your success story. Turn the page. When you can't find a way, make one. Persistence shapes paths where none exist. Stop waiting for the right time. Every second you wait is a second you could be moving forward. You are the author of your own life. Write a story that would inspire the world. Growth isn't easy. It's the courage to break your own boundaries. No one else will dream your dreams for you. They're yours for a reason. Your journey may not look like anyone else's, but your success is crafted just for you. The strength you seek is hidden in the struggles you're willing to face. Today's progress might feel small, but tomorrow it becomes the momentum that propels you forward. Fear tells you to stop. Courage whispers to take just one more step. You're not built to fit in. You're built to stand out and shine in your unique way. Let go of who you think you should be and embrace the greatness of who you are. Success doesn't need perfection. It needs consistency, one small step at a time. The person you are becoming is worth the patience, the effort, and the resilience. Big dreams may start small, but every step forward is a step closer to greatness. You're never as far behind as you think. Every sunrise brings a new beginning. The most powerful stories are not the ones we tell, but the ones we live every day. When you invest in yourself, you're investing in the future you'll one day be proud of. Doubt is a test, not a destiny. Pass it, and you'll find strength you didn't know existed. True success isn't found in the destination, but in the journey you dared to begin. Break your own limits, because only you can define what's possible for your life. Dreams remain dreams until you decide to build them one brick at a time. Success doesn't chase. It waits patiently for those who keep showing up. Everything not yet you hear is just fuel to create your I did it. Strength isn't about being unbreakable. It's about rising stronger each time you bend. Don't be afraid to start over. Each fresh start is a new chance to build better. In the silence of your struggles, you'll find the answers that lead to breakthroughs. The vision you have is your map. Keep following it, no matter how winding the road. Your past might shape you, but it's your actions today that will define you. Success is created in the moments no one sees, when you push a little further. True growth begins when you stop running from discomfort and start embracing it. What you plant in adversity will blossom in opportunity. Dream without limits, plan without fear, and act without hesitation. The journey isn't about reaching the summit, it's about who you become on the way up. You are capable of things you haven't even dared to imagine yet. Some days, progress means showing up, even if all you can do is stand still.